Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Fortnite you were removed from the match due to internet lag. To start, open Steam. Here in the library section at the bottom, click on Add a Game. Here, click on Add a non-Steam game. After that, select the Epic Games Launcher line. Click on Add Selected Programs. When you do, select Epic Games Launcher and click Play. When the launcher opens, click on Fortnite and you can see that the game opens normally without errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.